Regular care at our practice here benefits our patients by the fact that we're able to, over a period of time, assess their overall periodontal health. Gum disease, the problems with the gums affect the ability to retain and maintain teeth in the mouth. If we can ward that off, if our hygiene staff is able to determine if there are any problems before they become massive, we can then treat the situation and help the patient maintain and retain the teeth. Obviously, dental cleanings are a part of life, and as I've maintained for a long time, life is what happens in between your visits to the dentist. So if the patients are then able to convey to us any problems that they have, we can maintain them, we can take care of them, we're able to help them keep their teeth. And we've got a wonderful hygiene staff here that is dedicated to the philosophy that patients deserve to maintain and keep their teeth.